What's up, everybody? I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. My name's Anthony. On today's episode, we are going to do a very quick, very easy, do-it-yourself insect repellent. Alright, so if you've been around my channel for a little while, you know that I like to use as natural ingredients as possible when I'm making anything. So when it comes down to my insect repellent, it's the same principle here. I like to spend a lot of my time outdoors, and in South Carolina, during the middle of the summertime, when the temperature is over 95 with the heat index over 100, it's just not possible to sustain or have a sustained time outside in the middle of the day. So you have to do a lot of your things in the morning and at night. Well, guess what's outside a lot of times at morning and night? Bugs. They're everywhere. It's just part of, being in the South, I guess. There's just bugs, bugs, bugs. More specifically, gnats. So they drive me insane, especially when I'm trying to film. Like right now, I'm trying to be cool, calm, and collect, but they really are driving me insane. So I've been looking online, trying to find some do-it-yourself recipes that maybe I could make something with some essential oils or whatnot, just to maybe avoid using any kind of toxic whatever. If I can avoid putting any kind of chemical on me, I'm going to do that. So I wanted to go ahead and try a recipe out to see if it actually works. Now, the best part about this video is I'm going to do all the work for you. I'm going to show you what I do when I make it, and then I'm going to go outside like I am right now, but out where all the bugs are in the grass, spray it on me, and see if there's a noticeable difference. If there is, then we can go ahead and say this recipe worked. If not, I can show you, hey, it don't work. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so the reason why I picked this recipe over others is because it had stuff that I had around the house anyway. So thankfully my wife is one of those essential oil people that has the diffusers all over the place. So I was able to steal or borrow some of her essential oils. Basically, she got eucalyptus, peppermint, and lemongrass. She also has some witch hazel, some distilled water, and of course my vodka. So we're going to combine all this stuff in the little ratio that this little picture says, and we're going to see if it works. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off with a 1/4 cup of distilled water, and then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of witch hazel. We are doing 2 teaspoons of vodka. All right, now 10 drops of the eucalyptus oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Probably a little bit over. Now 10 drops of the lemongrass oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and finally we got 25 drops of peppermint oil. Okay, so now we're going to just pour it in our spray bottle that I got for $1.49 at my local grocery store. I'm sure you can pick up a small one in the same place. Alright, so now we have everything in our cute little spray bottle. I'm going to go outside and spray this on me, spritz it all over, and see if bugs land on me. Because basically right now I can go stand out there for 15 seconds and I get attacked by every gnat in my yard. So we're going to see if this helps. Okay, so now I'm out in the wild yonder where all the cool bugs have been hanging out. I'm stomping around the grass to wake them up, as my drill instructor used to say in Paris Island. Wake them up! But yeah, now I got some gnats flying around. I can see them. I'm going to spray this on me and see if it helps. Close your eyes because this has alcohol in it. All right, now let's just wait. Alright, so about 5 minutes into the test, nothing's really messing with me out in the yard, so now I'm out in the woods next to the creek where I know I get destroyed by mosquitoes. So, I'm not even going to lie, I'm actually kind of impressed, because at this point I would be getting landed on and all kinds of bad stuff by now, but everything's kind of staying away from me right now. Here's the final test. I'm standing in the creek, a place where when I'm out here, I get destroyed by mosquitoes. It's 92 degrees outside. Very humid South Carolina summer day. Nothing's even flying around me right now. Alright, so I guess that settles it. It's been around 15-20 minutes since I sprayed, and I literally have had nothing fly next to my ear, land on me, or nothing. I'm sure once I sweat it all off me, then things are going to start landing on me again, but as of right now, I say it works. Surprisingly well, just for a whole bunch of essential oils and witch hazel. So, hey, I think this recipe gets a thumbs up from me. I'm gonna have to make more of this stuff, so hey, I'll go ahead and put the recipe down in the description below. That's just in case you want to try it yourself. It's really super easy. I really didn't think it was going to work, but hey, I'm actually pretty impressed, so hey, it actually does work. If you learned something from this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll catch y'all later, okay? Bye.